Guys, welcome back to another video. This week we're just going to share another campsite with you that we found in Victoria, just outside of Bright. So half an hour out of the town of Bright is the camp that we found. In this area is the Buckland River, and there's lots of different camps scattered along the river. They're all quite different. Some are open and grassy with lots of different sites. Some are more closed in. Some allow dogs, some are four-wheel drive only. So there is a bit of a mix of different campsites. So there's a really good chance that you'll find something that suits you and your setup and the way you like to travel. We've chosen the Buckland camp flap. It's not too far from when you sort of start getting to the first few campsites. There's a small little river crossing to get over to this side of the river, which is where we're camped now. There is a few camps on the other side, so you don't actually have to cross. However, if you do want to cross, it's a really low river at the moment and a really safe rocky base that you can see the whole way through. So it's a very safe crossing, the water's not too high. So once we came over here, we found a lot of different sites. The ground at the moment is a bit wet. There was lots of timber laying around, so we were able to have a fire. It was just a little bit harder to get that going, but the area is just beautiful. Like I said, it's on the river. There's access all around to the water, little paths through getting to other little secluded spots. The water is crystal clear, absolutely beautiful, and the surrounds are just gorgeous. You can hear the road, but you can't see it, and it's pretty muffled because it's a very tree dense area. It's definitely not a busy road. Like I said, this camp here is dog friendly, so obviously that's the main reason why we chose it, and we like choosing places that are less likely that caravans and stuff are going to be. We've only seen a couple of people throughout, and because the camps are surrounded by trees, it's really nice and private. There's a brand new toilet that has been installed just in the middle of all the camps over here. It's very clean, doesn't smell, but it is a drop toilet, and that's the fact for the camps that we did go in and have a look in this section on the Buckland River. They all seem to have sort of newer toilets installed, which is really nice. So we just wanted to share this spot with you, just a free, nice, really private, relaxing campground just outside of Bright in Victoria, New South Wales. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.
None of this, it's none of this, brother, none of this, got from those souls, and look, I told you.